This is part 2 of KKMOON DSO120M oscilloscope. A little more tests, dismantle and remarks. So these are the physical dimensions of the oscilloscope. It's handy, but it's not exactly pocket size. Anyway, it's easy to use it and to carry around. So that's been said. Let's have a quick test. I have here a transistor meter. Also, this one have a pretty nice function generator. So let's have a couple of frequency. If I can say, let's see a couple of frequencies. So we have frequency generator right here. So let's start with something very deep. 10 Hertz. Oh yes, look there. It's reading. There's kind of distortion over there. A little bit, I'm not sure. Maybe it's from this generator. And we have over here 1000 millihertz. That means 1 hertz. Let's see if this one is catching this very low frequency. Okay, it's trying to get something there, but no chance. Okay, 10 hertz, auto. This function is really nice. And we have our peak to peak of 5.92 volts. If we want to have this, let me see, RMS. And it's 2.77 to 68 volts. So it's nice. We have peak to peak over here, and we have the frequency over there, 10 hertz. It's reading very well. 50. Of course, we can adjust the time base manually. It's no problem with that. 100 hertz. 250. 1000. 100,000 hertz, and that's like 100 kilohertz. There we are. Perfect. Okay, let's go further. 500 kilohertz. Okay, 1 megahertz and 2 megahertz. This is the maximum this little generator can do, and it turns to be like a saw wave. I don't know. I don't have a calibrated function generator, in fact, so I'm just playing with this. Now let me test some audio signals. So I'm using my phone like a function generator for the audio. And now we have 1000 hertz, 1 kilohertz, and it's looking gorgeous. Perfect sinusoidal. Yeah, 10,000 kilohertz here. This is really great. So the audio is working like a dream. And of course, let's dismantle this. What kind of screws do we have in here? Phillips. Maybe, oh yeah, of course, we have to take this off first. And then, okay, so here we are. That's the little one. What kind of processor is that one? So, oh yes, of course, GD30. So it's a GD326. It was covered with some paint, black paint here. It's a Cortex M4 core, 168 megahertz. And here are the technical data about this. Oh, it's a pretty okay microcontroller. Let's take the battery off a little bit. That's the screen connection. Tied in place with some tape. Easy with this one because it's really fragile. Okay. And okay, we can take this out. Of course we can. There we go, because I want to see the display. I don't see anything special for the data around here. I think there is no data on this. And there is a small buzzer. Yeah, here we go. And that's the display over here. P&O P224CO11X something. Let me have some. What we got here? Is it some water? Oh no, it was some flux. It's some flux from here also. A lot of flux. There are two circuits. I couldn't find any description about this. I don't know what they are for. That's the contact side of the board, the microprocessor, the ARM processor, another view of the processor, and there's the display over here, the main board again and whole, the MXT, that's the analog to digital converter. It's a dual channel 8-bit data converter. The same two I couldn't find anything about. TP4058, that's for charging the battery and controlling the charging. And here we have the whole main board, so just to let you enjoy the video, I may say. That's for nerds. I wish to be clever to understand everything what's happening over there, but I let you do that, and if you have any information, just write them down. It should be useful for all of us watching this video. So let's put the main board back in place. Hopefully it's still working afterwards. Let's have the battery back in place. Before having the case back, let's see if it's still working. Of course it is. Okay, so here we have a little shape for keeping the battery in place. Nice. And a piece of rubber or something. Yeah, everything is back in place. So this one goes here. And that's it. All I can say, it's booting very fast. Look here. Perfect. Okay. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it's useful for you. Like I said before, it's a really nice tool to have it on the hobby bench. And until the new project, don't forget to have fun. Wish you well, be safe. Bye bye.